Share works mostly on Android and often lags with large files. In this video, I'll show you 6 better alternatives for fast, smooth transfers across devices. Top 1. Best Share Alternative Transfer for Mobile. Mobican Transfer for mobile Windows and Mac serves as a qualified desktop tool that enables one-click transfers between Android and iOS devices. It supports a wide range of data types, including contacts, messages, photos, videos, and apps, etc. How to utilize Mobican Transfer for Mobile. Download and install Mobican Transfer for Mobile trial, launch it, connect both phones via USB, let the software detect devices, select data types, click Start Copy to transfer. Top 2. EasyShare. EasyShare delivers lightning-fast local transfer speeds of up to 40 megabytes per second without mobile data. It also provides built-in backup and restore options, making it convenient for both file migration and device switching. Top 3. Feem. Feem uses Wi-Fi Direct to create secure, high-speed connections across Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, and Linux. With end-to-end encryption, it ensures your files remain private while transferring without internet access. Top 4. InShare. As a Feem replacement, InShare supports unlimited file sizes and over 40 languages, making it a globally friendly sharing app. It works across multiple devices and platforms, allowing fast and stable transfers without compression loss. Top 5. ShareKaro. ShareKaro specializes in quick, internet-free bulk transfers with a straightforward interface. It can send files to devices even if they don't have the app installed, making sharing easier with anyone. Top 6. TrebleShot. TrebleShot allows users to pause and resume transfers, send files to multiple devices at once, and even share via web browser without installing the app on both ends.